KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to try and make my first tray bake ever. This new style of cooking, or what's become really popular, is pretty cool. Let's get on with this one. Alright, here I've got a baking dish or tray. I've just got 4 chicken cutlets. That's your thigh with the bone in, and that does give you a great flavour. Skin on, of course. Now you can season this up any way you want. I am using just a bit of Old Bay seasoning. We can now get this again quite simply here down under. Right, so sprinkle that straight over the top. Now we need to try and make a meal out of this, and here I've got around about 4 potatoes that I've cut into little wedges. Now we're just cooking a dinner for 2. That is all we're doing. And I've got some cauliflower florets, fresh cauliflower. I've just cut these into nice little pieces, sprinkle those around like I'm doing right there. Now I've got about 4 carrots that I've cut in half, peeled of course, and cut the ends off to make sure they're nice and presentable. Got my oven already sitting at 180 degrees Celsius or centigrade, depending on how you want to say it. Just make sure everything sits even on that tray. Give it a little drizzle of some olive oil, like that. Just a light drizzle, nothing too serious. Alright, that just goes straight over like that. Little bit of sea salt flake, sprinkle that over the top. And I've never used tray bake before, or tried to cook with tray bake before, and it is great. A little bit of freshly ground black pepper, just to season to your taste, to your liking. And all we simply really need to do now is get that, put that into the oven for approximately 1 hour, or until everything is just nicely cooked through. It should take you around about 50 minutes to an hour. And when it comes out, how good does that look, and how simple was that? 1 pan, no mess, and it tastes like a baked dinner. But even better, you've got all the food groups. Just serve that up any way you want on a plate. I'm just serving it up like this. You can serve it up with a little bit of gravy as well, it would not hurt. Alright, love to see you try and make this one at home. I had a lot of fun making this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. If you want to learn new cooking techniques, even ones that I've never used before, need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Alright, off to eat my first tray bake, and I will catch you next time. Bye!